Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be discussing about how to build a chatbot. Okay, we can see a ChatGPT, Gemini, many chatbots are there, but how to build it? Okay, so we'll be seeing two cases. Okay, first case is building locally. Okay, building locally like in command prompt. Okay, we can access the chatbot using command prompt. Okay, and in next case we will be developing a website, okay, a small prototype type website for and building using streamlet. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, for we'll be using streamlet for building a website. Okay, and also using grok. Okay, we will be using grok for fetch, like to access the llms. We'll be using grok for llms. Okay, to by using the API keys we can access the LLMs. Okay, and locally we'll be using Olama, a open source. It provides an open source model that we can use, okay, for educational purpose or experimental purpose. Okay, we'll be using Olama for implementing locally and Grok for implementing using a website. Okay, so let's directly get back to the coding part. Okay,
see how we can build a chatbot locally, like we can access the chatbot using the command prompt. Okay, for this we need to go to the Olama website as we discussed earlier. Go to the Olama website and just download the Olama into your system, like select your operating system. Okay, and download it. Mine is Windows. Just press it and we'll be downloading it. And after that, just go to the command prompt. After downloading the Olama into your into your local system, just go and Olama, just type Olama, run, and here you need to type with the model name you want locally. Okay, there are many models. You can see in the DeepSeek there are n number of models. Okay, and you can see the model size also. It is 5.2 GB, 1.2 GB. The size will be depending upon the parameters the model have. Okay, you can see the 5 billion parameter is only 1.1 GB. It's 7 billion parameter is 4.7, like this. Okay, uh, I will be taking gamma 3, which is a small model. Okay, just copy it and run gamma 3 1 billion parameter. Okay, just run it. It will be uh, like it will be pulling the request, like, oh, I got an error. Okay, I need to update my Olama. Okay, for I already downloaded the a model. Okay, Olama, just run Olama Llama 3.2. This is the model I have already downloaded into my web, into my local system. When we press this prompt, like when we run it, you can see it acts like a chatbot. Okay, send a message. Let's say hello. You can see hello. I can. How can I assist you today? Okay, it is behaving like a chatbot. Okay, explain LLMs. Okay, you can see LLMs are the large language models are typically okay. It acts like a chatbot. Okay, we have done with our first part, that is locally, and now we will be seeing how we can build a website. Okay, for this I have already created a website, like a 30 line of code. Okay, just we need to run it. Streamlet run app.py. Okay, all right, app.py. Okay, let me explain you the code once. Just a brief about the code. It is a very you can see the website is very minimalistic, like it is a very prototype, right? Just building a chatbot. Okay, you can see I have imported the streamlet, which is a like a website, like a framework for creating a website using Python and LangChain. Okay, LangChain and human message, these are the like we need to import to create a chatbot. Okay, this is the title and this is the chat. This is the chatbot. I'm using the llama three 8 billion parameter, and this is my API key. Okay, and using the temperature, like the when we put temperature as very high, uh, the model will give different answer for the same question. When we put temperature as near to zero, then the model will become more deterministic. Okay, when we put like increase the temperature, the model increases it is its stochastic nature. Okay, all right. So this is the prompt, and I'm taking as an input, and just giving the content of the prompt as a human message and response. You can see hello. Okay, it will be running, and you can see it is acting like a chatbot. Okay, explain LLM. Okay, you can see the entire the explanation is given here. Okay, this is the very minimalistic uh, like implementation of the chatbot. Okay, but you can see there is no context, like you can't see the previous text or previous answers of the like chatbot. Okay, so to eliminate this, I've already created a website. Like you can see the main. Okay, just let me run it. Okay, yeah, just a website which can consist of memory. Like you can see it will be acting as a chatbot. Hello, you can see the the memory, it has memory, right. Explain LLM. Okay, it look like a chatbot, right. Now it looking like a very minimalistic website of a chat gpt, like a prototype of a chat gpt. Okay, you can use this for any hackathons or anything. Just a 50 to 60 lines of code you can see here. Okay, uh, just you built using a streamlet and grok, and you can get the grok API key. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Grok. Okay, you can see uh, when you just need to create a API key. Just an example, and submit. You can see you will be getting a chatbot, like API key. Sorry, you will be getting a API key, and just upload it here. Like here you can see, I just upload it here. Okay, your work will be done. Like you have created a chatbot, and you can also like you can see the prompt, user prompt. You can also prompt engineer it. Okay, you can just change the like add something, anything. Like you are a tourist advisor, just the input will be like a city. So your model will be giving nearest tourist places near the city. Okay, all right. Now you got the point, right? So this, you can use this for any hackathons or like any mini project. Okay, just we have built in less than 10 minutes. We have built a chatbot less than 10 minutes using Grok and Streamlit. Okay, and we can upgrade. The future scope will be like upgrading it to a React app or Next.js app. Okay, just convert this the entire thing into React app, so we can add like many features into it. Okay, so this is the thing. So that's it. Okay, yeah.